back of door pantry storage turns narrow vertical space into a powerful solution for organizing spices, snacks, cans, and baking sheets in small homes. Start by measuring the door height and the gap between door and cabinet so you choose racks that do not obstruct closing or hinges. For spices, use multi-tiered spice racks that mount with low-profile screws or heavy-duty adhesive strips. Arrange jars by frequency of use to keep the most used items at eye level and label lids for quick scans. For canned goods, select compact canned good organizers with staggered shelves that tilt forward so the oldest items roll to the front. Place heavier cans on lower tiers to protect the door and maintain balance. Use cookie sheet and cutting board vertical slots to keep flat baking items accessible without taking shelf depth. Insert thin foam or felt strips to prevent rattling, and use a simple top stop to keep boards from shifting when the door opens. Install adjustable pockets for snacks and seasoning packets, choosing clear or mesh pockets so contents are visible and breathable. Leave larger pockets lower to make retrieval easier for children or frequent use. Mount a magnetic sheet with clip-on small baskets for metal spice tins, sieve hooks, or measuring spoons. Ensure the magnet is rated for refrigerator use or stronger, and test each clip under load to avoid dropped items. Common mistakes include overloading the door, which causes slamming, squeaks, or misalignment. Fix this by redistributing heavy items to lower shelves or moving the heaviest goods to base cabinets. Another issue is obscured visibility because pockets are not see-through. Swap opaque pockets for clear mesh or add simple colored labels on the outside so you can spot items at a glance. A third problem is damage to paint or finish from adhesive hooks or racks. Prevent this by using low residue adhesive strips rated for the door material or install slim mounting brackets that screw into the door at reinforcement points and cover screws with caps. Our site bighomeprojects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where people share real-world tips on small space solutions. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them interact with interested homeowners in our community.